Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at Everything You Need to Know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. Markets are ending the year mired in uncertainty. So markets are looking for signals, especially about inflation's track. Ahead this week, there will be more indications from the November PCE measures in the US, along with sentiment indicators from the Conference Board and separately from the University of Michigan survey. Both will give updated indications of inflation expectations. In the meantime, an economic slowdown is coming. The first of the December PMIs are now available on a flash basis, and the American factory sector is now at its lowest ebb in 31 months and now contracting. Their giant services sector is actually shrinking at a faster pace. The demand retreat the Fed wants is here. And there are signs inflation is easing too. American petrol prices are falling noticeably now. Import activity at some key US West Coast ports is down sharply. There were steep declines in November and they're extending into December too. The US import engine is stuttering and many economies across the Pacific will feel the impact in an outsized way. And there were flash PMIs out for other countries too. In China, the week ahead will bring a central bank review of their loan prime rates. Meanwhile, Beijing policymakers suggested that anti-pandemic restrictions could be loosened further as the government seeks to stabilise flagging growth. But cities there are grappling with the consequences of a very fast pandemic spread now. The streets of key cities are eerily quiet as people stay at home either to self-quarantine or avoid infection. New supply chain chaos is coming from China. Foreign investors see a very tough 2023 ahead in China, especially American investors. The US Treasury 10-year yield will start today at 3.49%, up 1 basis point from this time Saturday, and rebuilding after the recent big drop. And the price of gold will open today at $1,793 an ounce, and that's up $3. And oil prices start today little change from this time Saturday at just under $75 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just over $79 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today at 63.8 US cents, and little changed. A week ago was 64.1 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're holding at 95.4 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're at 60.3 euro cents, and also holding firm. And that all means our trade weight index starts today at 72.6 and back to week ago levels. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.